Hello lovelies, this is the Tulip Stitch, but they actually look more like irises or crocuses maybe. This is a really simple stitch. Bring your needle up through the fabric and you're going to make your loop like you would for a lazy daisy. So go back into that hole at the top. You're going to need to keep your loop, don't pull that all the way through. And we're going to bring our needle back through the fabric directly below. About a stitch length, depends how big you want your flower to be. You're going to make this tail a little bit longer. You're not going to do it as short as you normally would for a lazy daisy. So pull that through gently. Don't pull it too tight or you'll just end up with two straight lines. And you can tweak that loop a little. And then you bring your needle up through the fabric on the left or the right of the petal shape, about halfway down the petal shape. We're not going through the fabric, we're going to pass our needle through that link at the bottom. And then we're going to go into the fabric on the opposite side to create this V shape. And now I'm going to do it in slow motion for you. Bring your needle up through the fabric. You want to make a loop, so you're going to put your needle through the hole at the top that you just came through. Just like this. Don't pull the needle all the way through. Leave a nice loop and you can hold that in place with your forefinger. You're going to bring your needle up through the fabric directly below, and this is the base of your flower shape. Normally with a lazy daisy we would try and get as close to that as possible when tacking that petal shape in place. But this is a long-tailed daisy, so it's going to be slightly longer. Go back down through the fabric below, and then you're going to bring your needle up through the fabric on the left or right of your petal, about halfway down. You could change that if you wanted, you could have it longer or shorter. And then we're going to pass this needle through that link at the bottom, and the best way to do this without catching your pointy sharp needle on the thread is to use the eye of the needle. Gently pull it through, don't push it, that's injury time. Pull it gently through, and then you're going to go back down into the fabric directly opposite so that you've got this lovely V shape. And this is the Tulip Stitch. It's very cute, isn't it? Anyway, happy stitching.